Hey everyone, I'm Wagga Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, now that I tossed them in the air, I messed it up because I needed to remember which one to open first. Oh well. I did not one, but two. So far, this sale's still going on, by the way. I'm filming this on Saturday, March the 25th, and the sale goes one more week. I made a purchase on day one, and I want to say day 18. Now, what's sad is this sale, there wasn't really a lot that interests me, and always the stuff I want is on like day one and day 18. God forbid there are multiple items on the same day. So what I have to do, because I don't have enough points to get free shipping, I have to spend a minimum of $35 to get free shipping. And I'm too cheap just to get one item that's half off and then pay like $6.95 for shipping. No, I won't do it. So what I do is buy backups of stuff or look for drugstore items that I've been wanting to try or that caught my eye, and I toss them in my cart so I can hit that $35 mark. Yeah, leave me a comment and let me know if you do the same. All right, I'm just going to open this first one and cross my fingers it was the day one purchase. No, of course not. All right, moving along to the other bag. All right, this here is the whole reason I did the haul. On day one, they offered up from MAC the Pro Longwear Paint Pot. This product has been around for years. Have I ever owned it? No. Have I wanted to try it ever since I started watching YouTube beauty videos? Yeah, but your girl is cheap. So when I saw it was 50% off, I'm like, today's the day. I'm finally going to give that MAC Paint Pot product a try. And I picked it up in the shade Painterly, which I hope will work for me. I want to say a lot of the other shades were sold out. Okay, it looks like it will do perfectly well. Ooh, it's a lot drier and creamy. For some reason, I thought it would be the same or similar consistency as the Drawed Cosmetics Clean Canvas, and that is like kind of a thick liquid. This is full on like a dry pot. And now I'm worried, is that going to dry out my eyelids? Leave me a comment if you've ever tried this and let me know if I got a bad one or know if it's a pretty dry formula. All right, so now are you excited to see the filler products I picked up in order to hit that $35 free shipping? Even if you say no, you're going to see them now. All right, what did I get? Because I totally don't remember. This here looks to be a lip gloss of some sort. No, it's a lip oil, and it's from the Ulta Beauty brand. It's Juice Infused Lip Oil. Ooh, that sounds wonderful. It has plastic wrap all around. Let's see what she smells like. It's a fruity scent, but honestly, the hand soap I used is picking up stronger than this scent here. It's a very faint fruity scent of just, don't ask me what type of fruit. It's just softer than I thought, which for most people is probably a good thing. I'm the kind of person, let it totally smell like a Jolly Rancher. I am fine with that. I already have like 5 lip products on, but you know how I roll. Let's just toss her on top. Not sticky. Feels a little thick. Not too thick, but thicker than some lip oils. And because it's on top of something, I won't be able to see if it has a color, although I guess I could swatch it. I have a feeling it's just going to be clear. Yeah, it's pretty clear. It's right there. Can you even see it? No, because I'm super fair. So yeah, great filler product. Do I need another lip product? No. Was it on sale or a really good price? Probably. All right, the next product is something do I need? No. Am I on the hunt for a holy grail? Yes. This here is also from the Ulta line of products, Ulta Beauty, and it is a black eyeliner. I forget if somebody recommended, said it was good, if I saw someone else's video saying it's good, if I just saw it on the page. I can't remember. But I'm going to add this to the big stack of black eyeliners that I own that I've yet to try. Because one of them has got to be a good one that will not transfer from my top waterline down to the bottom as I blink. All right, and then the last product I got, I'm going to have to take it back, or I'm going to have to pray it's like my holy grail. This here is from e.l.f. I'll explain that in a second. It's the Whoa Glow Suntouchable SPF 30 sunscreen. So I saw somebody talk about this, claim it was fantastic. It gives a really nice glow. So I had to pick it up. Here's why I may have to take it back unless I love it. I recently, sometime this week, made a different haul at a different retailer. With that one, yeah, I was trying to hit free shipping, but it was also, they had a buy 3, get 1 free. And I'd forgot that I'd picked this up because it took forever to ship. And then once I got it, I was waiting for my second haul to arrive so I could do this unboxing, blah, blah, blah. I forgot. So you will see this unboxed a second time. But we will have to see. Once I give it a try, if I love it, hey, I already have a backup. If not, back to Ulta. Okay, so that is my first haul. On to the second haul. Okay, so let's start with the item that inspired the haul. That is this product here from Benefit Cosmetics, which is a blush, and I have it in the shade Willa. Ooh. Okay, so if you've never seen one of their products before, they come in a cardboard box. It does have a mirror, and would you take a look at that shade? That is beautiful. It's a nice kind of mauvey pink. And there is the swatch. Okay, that is right up my alley. I love shades like that. I think it looks good with my skin tone and undertones. I am super excited to get something from a mid-tier, higher tier brand at half price. Now on to what I also picked up to get free shipping. Since I needed a filler, I thought I might as well pick up a backup of my Holy Grail mascara. This here is from Maybelline. It's the Falsies Lash Lift in waterproof. Maybelline was having, I want to say, buy 2, get 1 free, or I don't know, something where you got a discount. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to pick up another one of the Instant Rewind concealers and get like a lighter shade, because the last time I bought one, they've come up with new shades and I wanted to get one that was really light. And then my friend Nola, hey Nola, she happenstance or around the same time informed me or let me know that they also have one in this pink shade. So I said, you know what? I'll just toss that in my cart as well and then give it a try. She claims it does really well under the eyes. So the shades I picked up are shade 95, which is this very light fair shade. And then the one that is kind of pink is shade 160. And yes, you will be seeing me do a try-on video using these products. All right, that is everything. The 3 Maybelline products got me up to the free shipping at $35. All right, now I'm dying to hear from you. Have you made any 21 Days of Beauty Ulta hauls thus far? Do you avoid that like the plague? Or are you suckered in like me where you look every single day and thank God this year it's like, nah, not interested until you find that one day you're like, should I? Do I really need that? Oh, I've been really wanting to try that product for years, and then it's 50% off. And then you're like, but I have to hit $35 to get free shipping. Thank goodness I do use, love, and enjoy drugstore products. So for me, it's easy to toss stuff in my cart. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.